are continuing our Wellness Wednesday. Now we're heading to the Rock Community Firehouse to find Deputy Chief Grimshaw, who sought out Dr. Christopher Palmer to perform his hip surgery. He uses the MAKO robotic system in total joint replacement surgeries. It's a minimally invasive option using the latest technology. Take a look.
I couldn't function as far as even walking down the hall to get up and respond to any kind of a fire call or anything like that. To get out of the truck and try to be mobile, it was just, I couldn't do it.
Not only was his hip pain interfering with Chief Grimshaw's work, but his life. He knew it was time for a replacement and was referred to Dr. Christopher Palmer.
I just wanted to see, what are they going to be doing to me?
In preparation for the surgery, he watched YouTube videos from Signature Orthopedics about the MAKO robotic system.
I just wanted to see it since it was a robotic surgery, which is new, and I hadn't really heard a whole lot about it. So it was really, really neat to watch how they did the robotic versus the regular hip surgery.
And the chief is no stranger to hip pain. Before seeing Dr. Palmer, Deputy Grimshaw had previous surgeries to replace both knees and his other hip. The biggest difference, the recovery time.
And to go from being on a walker one day just to walk around the house to literally just have a cane and be able to walk. I mean, right after the surgery. I know before the other hip I had done, I had to use a walker for quite a while before I could just, go to a cane or get around fairly well.
And now Grimshaw is happy to enjoy the parts of his life that he couldn't before the surgery. The simple things we take for granted, like being present during quality time with family.
I have 3 wonderful grandkids, and I couldn't do anything with them. They would come over to the house or we'd go to their house and they would want me to play, do something, and I just couldn't get around with my hip. So that's been the best thing, because now I can actually play with them, sit down, put them on my lap, do the things that I couldn't do before. It makes you feel whole again, because before I just felt like I wasn't contributing to anything, because I couldn't do anything. I couldn't go out, I couldn't go on walks with my wife. Just getting in and out of the car was hard, and it really gets you depressed and makes you think, oh my gosh, is this it, And just having this surgery changed my life.
And you can find further information right there on your screen. We'll be right back.